Today I'm going to show you how to make the viral 2-ingredient Japanese cheesecake. I've seen this all over my social media lately and I thought I'd give it a try and see what it's like. I'm not quite sure why it's called a Japanese cheesecake, but I've been seeing it, that's what it's called all over. So all you need is yogurt. I've got this 10% authentic Greek natural yogurt. I've got this whole tub. I'm going to make this for myself and my kids, so I'm going to make a whole lot of it. You can make it in a small tub if you want to. You can use any flavor of yogurt. This is just what I've seen made, so I'm giving this a try. And I'm using Biscoff biscuits, but again, you can swap to any biscuit. I've seen people use chocolate chip cookies. I've seen making tiramisu ones using tiramisu biscuits and dunking them in a bit of coffee before putting them into yogurt. There are so many creative ways of making this 2-ingredient viral cheesecake, Japanese cheesecake. I'll put all of the ideas up in the blog post down below. I'll just write. But it's pretty simple. So we're just going to get started opening up the yogurt. So just open up the yogurt. I'm going to actually just give my yogurt a little stir through. You can take a little layer out if you want, because it does make it overflow a bit, but I want to just stir it just to get it nice and creamy before putting the biscuits in. I'm going to just make it in a nice creamy smooth layer just so it's mixed and nice. You don't have to do this, I just wanted to do it. It just looked like it needed a little mix to make it smooth and perfect for my cheesecake. So I've got extra large Biscoff biscuits, so I'm going to just put them in lengthways, all which ways. One of them's broken, so we'll just get a bit creative. You just want to fill it up with the biscuit everywhere that you can. So I'm just breaking mine into little pieces and trying to get it into every little nook and cranny, push them all nice and down. So you want the biscuit to be submerged as much as possible in the yogurt, and then it gives it that lovely cheesecakey flavor. There you go, my yogurt is overstuffed with biscuits, and now it's just a matter of popping the lid on, pop it into the fridge for a few hours overnight, and then we'll see how it comes out. My 2-ingredient Japanese cheesecake was in the fridge overnight, and now it's all set up. So let's take the lid off and see what it looks like inside. So it looks nice and thickened up, and I can't wait to pop a spoon into it and see if this really tastes like a proper cheesecake with just those 2 ingredients of yogurt and Biscoff biscuits. So taking a spoon to it, it's really set. It really looks like a cheesecake. It feels a bit like a cheesecake as you get into it there. You can see all the biscuits have softened, kind of like a cheesecake crust. And when you actually taste it, it actually does taste like a cheesecake. It has thickened up, the biscuit has become soft, and that cream cheesy tasting plain natural yogurt really has a tangy flavor to it. It really does taste like cheesecake. It's really surprising how those 2 ingredients can just transform and become a cheesecake when you pop it into the fridge. But yeah, I definitely will be giving this a try again with other biscuits. I want to try it with Oreos, with regular cheesecake type biscuits, make a tiramisu version. There's so many creative ways to enjoy this 2-ingredient Japanese cheesecake recipe. So thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give this a try and what you think of it, and remember to check down below for the link to the blog post, which has the full recipe, step-by-step instructions and ideas for variations too. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.